everybody, it's your girl, Yachty Girl Flavor, and I'm coming back with a juicing recipe. This is gonna be celery juice. I'm not sure if anybody have tried this before, but I have one stock of celery and just a bottle of water. It's just that simple. You don't need to put any sweetener or any added sugar. So here I am just prepping my celery and getting it chopped properly, cut off those dead ends so I can get it washed and get the process started. So celery juice is definitely good for a lot of things. I will link the... So celery is definitely good for a lot of things. I will definitely put that in the description box. But here I am just washing my celery. I add some salt. May not be the best option, but that's what I'm doing today. I've washed it thoroughly. Make sure we get rid of all that dirt and scrub it properly. Now we're ready to chop our celery. I'm using a blender, so I'm breaking it up as small as possible so the blender can manage it. If you have a juicer, that's fine. And so I'm just doing it as small as possible as I can. And that leafy part, do not toss it away. Definitely add that in to your juice as well. So I'm just going to repeat the process until I have all my celery chopped and ready to go in my blender. And I'm only using one bottle of water because I don't want to water down all of that nutrients that is in the celery. But if you have a juicer, you won't even need the water. So here I am showing you another way. I'm cutting it straight down the middle and then chopping it up. So here I finished all chopping up all my celery. I'm adding in some of the water to this first batch, and I'm gonna let that blend together. So here we are blending away. Little to no water, because you don't want to water down all that nutrients and all the benefit that comes. Here I have a milk bag. That's what I'm going to use to strain my celery juice. And I'm just going to repeat the process until all my celery has blended and squeezed and ready to go. This is it, my celery juice all done and ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.